I'm the project manager of our team, Attack on Bugs. I'm joined by David, our business analyst, and Franklin, our lead developer. We're excited to show you our restaurant management system built specifically for Turkish Doner House, a fast growing restaurant in Cape Town. A brief overview. Turkish Doner House sells food to their customers, and they specialize mainly in doner, which is fresh meat, fresh tender meat locally sourced from vegetables and oven baked bread. As a re- However, the company is facing slight operational overheads, and as a result, TDH operations are running very slowly, and sensitive information is not secure because it's not stored in a database. Due to the fact that TDH uses pen and paper and other old methods of record keeping, their their manual approach is neither professional or efficient. How can we solve this? We solve this using an agile methodology with weekly iterations and continuous testing. Our solution domain includes problems like food waste, manual tracking, and low engagement were mapped to digital workflows. Our tools used were QR code SDKs, Firebase for auth, DB, and Glide for image handling. TDH faces operational bottlenecks from manual inventory tracking, frequent food waste, inefficient staff due to performance management, and poor communication between departments with no real-time business insights. We have agreed to build a restaurant management system for Turkish Doner House with the goal of enhancing their overall operational efficiency. The system is designed to optimize inventory management, food waste, and streamline the restaurant's daily operations. Our solution. We're developing a cross-platform RMS available on web and mobile devices. Key features will include a QR code for inventory tracking, real-time dashboard analytics with cost of goods, sales, and all the metrics we need to calculate the business's performance. Staff check-in, checkouts, a gamification engine to interact with users and improve operational efficiencies, and then secure multi-role logins. The app will be a closed system, meaning that only registered people will have access to the application. Imagine you're a Turkish Doner House manager. You will be able to log in securely, scan QR codes just to update stock, delete stock, and all the other stock updates. Get notifications when stock is low. View staff reports and reward performance, and make decision ready and access decision ready analytics. Our milestones and deliverables. We're currently at milestone 3, but our first milestone started with project proposal and planning. Our second milestone moved into requirement analysis like use cases, ERDs, and user stories. And now, since we're in the third stage or the third milestone, system design, wireframes, and architecture schema. In milestone 4, we'll be moving on to implementation of auth, inventory reports, and gamification. In milestone 6, we'll be testing UAT and debugging. And then milestone 6 will be our final presentation of the applications and the documents to support the app. Our work breakdown structure works as follows. Our project initiation started off with stakeholder interviews to grab the scope of the application, planning to write down the scope and have it written down so that we can follow the scope in a rigid process. Analysis, meaning we used use cases and data models in order to build the application. Development, API integration and modules, and testing, we'll be using QA and UAT. I will be now handing it over to my business analyst, David, to present the rest.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Hi. So in our presentation layer, we will be showing you the functionality the system, our system will be doing. So first we have inventory management. As purpose is to track, as purpose will be to track and maintain stock level, which means maybe they can alert admin site when they are running out of stock, as well as they will also manage ingredients and with various calculation and formula. The second functionality of our system will be user management. That will help defining roles. Like for example, we'll be having a staff, an admin, and manager. And then also add gamification as feature so that the system will help building engagement with staff within the company. Also, we'll have the business relevant calculation, of course. Yeah. So as part of requirements, our resource management system will be built using in web application and mobile application. So basically, we will be using as for mobile development, we'll use React, JavaScript, and MySQL as database. Backend will be PHP. So in mobile, we'll use Kotlin as programming language. Database will be MySQL. Yeah. So basically, our project will follow the will follow two-level system architecture with the composite presentation layout, application, and data layout. So basically, the presentation layout will be the mobile app and web app that will serve as a front end that can show the where the stuff or admin thing, and business logic and data access layer. Of course, database for storage of all important assets, meaning data. So in our level design, you'll be having, as I said, component mobile and web. Yes, is pretty much the same thing that I just said right now. So here is our actors. The actors will be employee, admin, and manager. So the function will be an employee can register. It also can log in if you already registered. And there will be a staff dashboard for employees. Employees can also order, order meaning is not like ordering as a customer, but they can order to serve as, maybe let's say, if to make sure that food stock are not are not wasted. Then the admin side can also log in, can view, can view request leave as well, and can also view report from employees. And a manager also does the same thing. So yeah, in our web module, as an admin will have the dashboard, user management, inventory module, order module, reports and analytics, security and roles. So mobile module will be order tracking, QR, inventory scanner, alert and notification. Of course, gamification too. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing right here. So basically, input request I just summarize everything. So this is more like in details. So in our database, here are the entity relational database. Design is we make use of four tables: employee tables, attendance table, leave requests, admin, payroll, and approve status. So the relationship will be as follows: one to many with attendance. One employee can have multiple attendance record. So the second one will be one to many leave requests. One employee can submit many leave requests. One to many for payroll. One employee typically have one payroll record per month. One to many one user employee is linked to a user account for login access. One to many for an approval status tables. One admin can approve one or many times, and one to many to approve a status. Many requests can be approved only once. So at this stage, I will hand to our software developer Franklin to show us a little bit of the product of how it's gonna be like. Thank you.
Thank you, David. I'll present you the design part of our restaurant management system. You ready? Yeah. So I've chosen wireframe design using only two colors, black and orange. So wireframe design is basically gonna help us to see, like to plan how the app will look and how the app will work, instead of spending too much time on decoration and colors. The reason why that we have chosen wireframe design instead of higher fidelity wireframe, because the reason why that we have chosen wireframe design instead of higher fidelity wireframe is the client wanted a system which will be easy to use and well organized. So yeah, that is the reason why that we have chosen wireframe design instead of high fidelity wireframe. So now I'll go through the prototype and try to interact like a real app. So we have three users. We have the staff user, admin user, and manager user. So I'll start first with the admin user. The admin will be able to sign in with his email address, and he will be able to sign in with his password as well if he was already registered on the system. You'll be able to see his password as well to make sure that it's correct. And if it's correct, you'll get a pop-up message showing that is basically successfully logged in. And this is the dashboard for the admin side. These are the functionalities that the admin will be dealing with. We have a department, attendance, leave requests, generate report, employees, and settings. I'll start first with settings. The admin will be able to update his profile as well, or if you want to update his personal information, but you'll be able to do that as well on this stage. So I can just try to update my picture, and I'll go back here, and I'll try to go on the department side. So if, for example, an admin want to search about a department inside of the system, it doesn't need to start scrolling down, up and down. You're just gonna need to search about the department here, and yeah. And if you want to search about the department, for example, here you can see you are searching about the bar department. Yeah, this is the bar, and I can just go back here. So for the attendance, it can be able to, the admin will be able to track the attendance report as well, like to see how many people log in during that day or during the duty. So yeah, can be able to see how many people log in during that day or during the. I'll go back here. The admin will be able to sign the staff members as well. You can just sign in. Yeah, like the employees. Because the admin will basically, according to the clients, the admin will be a supervisor. So each branch has his own supervisor. So they'll be logging on the admin side instead of logging to the manager side. Yeah. No, the staff only. In case like the staff didn't sign, forgot to sign, you'll be able to sign them himself. Or just to avoid, sometimes you may get a staff who say that like I forgot to sign on the app or I forgot to sign on the POS. So the admin can be able to sign like the right time. Pardon? Like it's on the system which will be.
Because if I let him sign in for me, one day he will come in as me. Admin remains admin. He cannot sign in as a staff member today, then tomorrow start signing in as admin.
Okay.
Yes, I think
Unless he is responsible for the system. So right now he's responsible for employees.
Yeah.
So he can sign in as a staff member.
No, you can sign a staff member like in case like the staff member didn't sign in when you were starting the shift. Yeah, but we'll correct it, sir.
But if he is admin, let him be admin. He is called
Okay.
if he signs in as admin, who gives him approval for signing in? Who approves him, gives him the right to sign in?
Or the manager, because the
Is it here in the system where the manager can be anyone can start
yeah.
and show him?
Yeah. So
The manager can give admin two roles of being admin and staff. Not to change it. You feel like in Rosberg, there are applications where I can sign in as manager.
okay.
Then there are applications where I can sign in as admin. If I am signing in as admin, I need to write, fill in a form, I think it's P7, and it will be signed by my manager. Then it is sent to the central office. The central office will approve it and then give me those rights. Now, they know that Mr. Vidal has got the signing rights on admin to perform the following functions. You cannot do everything, but you can only do A and C. In office, they are fine. But it is not the management team. It is the head office. Yet, they've not taken away my signing on as a. So in there, I'm saying to you, show me where that person can sign in as manager and then make his admin is be able to sign in as admin and as staff.
I didn't hear that one, but there's a part which the manager can be able to write a report about that case, for example. So he can write a report like I've signed this guy because he didn't come, like he forgot to sign to log on the system or to log out on the system. So there's a place that the manager can write a report to the manager, the admin can write a report to the manager.
And this signing we're talking about is very wrong because And then final goes with attendance, right?
Mm.
This person is here for the right to sign for attendance as staff, but you can sign for somebody else who is not there.
Yeah, you're right, sir. So we're gonna thank you for you.
So in your application, it's a no-no.
Yeah, we're gonna change it. I have to fix the policy.
Okay. So I'll go to the employees. The admin will be able to add the employee as well. You can just add the password as well. Add the email and add the password. Save it on the system. You can be able to edit the employee as well, just by entering the employee ID, and you can edit. You'll be able to delete the employee as well, just by entering the employee ID. Yeah, the admin. In case like the employee doesn't work in the company anymore, so you'll be able to delete them as well.
And then one day when I want to pay the potential letter, how will you know that?
Or
We create a new table where employees that's no more working for us or for your company must move to a different table.
yeah,
We don't need it.
okay.
We can go today, go to DUT, go to any company I want, and ask them if I want something. They will know from the system, this man is ready for us. This year. They keep that.
Okay.
You will end up deleting a record of an employee that is still by mistake. So that function, you change it.
And you'll be able to view the employees as well. Yeah. So yeah. For the manager side. Okay.
Sir, based on what you have presented, do you have any question for us?
Some of the functions, agreement, some of the functions of your app